Understanding, analyze the evidence, a key to effective English learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very important concept that often comes up in both academic and everyday contexts. Analyze the evidence. Understanding this phrase is crucial for improving your English comprehension and communication skills. So, let's get started. Analyze the evidence consists of two key parts: analyze and the evidence. To analyze means to examine something carefully and in detail in order to understand it better or discover more about it. The evidence refers to the information, facts, or details that help to prove something is true or not true. Combining these, analyze the evidence means to carefully examine the information or facts to understand something better or to make a judgment about it. Understanding how to analyze the evidence is essential for several reasons. 1. Critical thinking. It enhances your critical thinking skills, enabling you to assess information critically and make informed decisions. 2. Effective communication. It helps you build and defend arguments or opinions based on facts, making your communication more effective. 3. Academic success. In academic settings, analyzing evidence is a fundamental skill for writing essays, research papers, and participating in discussions. Here are some practical steps to analyze evidence effectively. 1. Identify the evidence. First, recognize what the evidence is. Look for facts, statistics, examples, or expert opinions. 2. Evaluate the source. Consider where the evidence comes from. Is it reliable and credible? 3. Understand the context. Context is key. Understand the conditions or circumstances in which the evidence was presented. 4. Look for bias. Be aware of any bias in the evidence. Does the source have a particular agenda? 5. Draw conclusions. Based on your analysis, what does the evidence tell you? Can it be interpreted in more than one way? We hope this video has shed light on what it means to analyze the evidence, and why it's a crucial skill in both English learning and everyday life. Remember, practicing this skill will enhance your critical thinking, improve your academic performance, and make you a more effective communicator. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.